Okay, so today is office move day, which means that I have to pack up all of everything that I have over here and get it elsewhere. So this is gonna be fun, especially because I don't actually think that this white table of mine is that easy to disassemble. So my plan is to kind of take this white table, which to be honest I haven't been using too much in this office, and put it into the other office and leave this black table here entirely, because I don't think that this black table, I mean I like this one because it's bigger, it's height adjustable, like I can use it as a standing desk, whereas this one here has just kind of been, it's just, I don't know why I've been even using it, to be honest, when I've got the white one, it's just because. But the problem with this desk is that it's from IKEA, and when I assembled it, I had to, here it is. I had to, these little things here, all right, let me show you. These little things here, I had to hammer them in, and I'm not sure if I can pull them out or not. So that's gonna be, hopefully I can easily pull them out, and then I'll easily be able to put them back in. If so, I'll be happy, because otherwise I don't know how I'm gonna be able to transport this. It's not gonna fit in my car at all. Well, that's it. It wasn't really as hard as I thought it would be. These kind of rivets just popped out with a screwdriver pretty easily. Now the other thing that I have to decide is what exactly I want to keep from here and carry into the new office. So I obviously still want to have some kind of setup here at home because I won't always be in the new office. I'm thinking of just leaving this monitor here for that purpose, and then this I'm going to take because that's kind of my primary setup. I'm not sure if I should take these monitors because, well, I'm not going to be playing any loud music there obviously. And for editing, maybe I can get something a bit smaller and I can keep this, because this I usually use for like music production and stuff, not really, I use it for editing as well because they're here, but it's a bit overkill for just YouTube video editing, so maybe I'll leave them here at home. This has to come with us, the printer, not sure if I'll take the printer. This is an Alex drawer unit from IKEA, and there's actually an identical one but white at the new office already, left over from the previous tenant, so I can keep that, which is great. This, which I haven't got a name for this plant yet, I think I'm gonna take that with us. I also wasn't sure what to do about the 100,000 subscriber YouTube award, but I think I'll leave that at home just because I don't really want that in the office. Kind of precious to me, I want to keep it at home. This stuff, and man, there is a lot of stuff here. This little grid unit thing from IKEA, there's an identical one in the office, but it's white and it has another extra row on top. So that I don't have to take this with me. But I will take most of this stuff here because it is work related stuff. And also the Cherno and the Hazel logos, they're gonna come with me as well. I think that's about all the stuff that I need to take, so let's go ahead and start loading this into the car. Just thought I'd do a little check-in. So I'm in the car now and it is pretty packed. But me and my bro here we're gonna get this office moved. Okay, so here we are in the new office. Everything is pretty much set up now. And by everything I mean the absolute minimum that I need to actually get any work done. There's a lot of reverb going on, which is because this place is so empty. I've got a whole bunch of acoustic foam panels that I'm going to put probably on some of the walls, and obviously as I move in more furniture and stuff like that, I think it should get a lot better. I guess I'll show you guys a little bit of what has actually gone into this space at the moment. It's quite a large space. It's 10 meters long and about 4 meters wide. I think I've definitely got enough space here to set up some kind of creative space, really some kind of development studio, maybe even a game development studio. hopefully work on some pretty exciting projects here. The thing that I'm excited about most, which is, I think I mentioned that several times before, is the fact that this is an office, you know, it's not home. Working from home for me was quite a challenging experience. I think that this place is just gonna make me be a lot more productive than I was before, which I'm honestly really excited for. And with 2020 being a new year, one of the things I really want to do this year is bring you guys along with me a lot more than I have in the past. I want to share more of my life with you, and I want to share more of my work with you and stuff that I might want to be working on. Fun fact, it's a public holiday today, so all the cafes are closed, so I have to get my coffee from Macca's, but to be honest, it's actually not that bad at all. One of the things that I definitely need to get in the office as soon as possible is some kind of way to make coffee. I'm definitely not going to get like an espresso machine or anything like that. I've got one at home and I don't really want a second one here in the office. But I'm thinking of getting a Chemex or some kind of pour-over coffee thing. I'll keep you guys updated with that. Any suggestions on what to get, just leave a comment below, because I honestly have never done anything like that before, ever. I've only ever made coffee with an espresso machine, so. You know, one other thing that I really want to get here, like as soon as possible, is some kind of like greenery, plants and stuff like that, because I used to have a lot in my office at home, and this place obviously has none, so yeah, I'm gonna have to work something out for that. As a little side note, one of the things I've been thinking about in this new space is how I want to film my videos, and I'm still kind of trying to figure that out. But one quick tip is always try and shoot deep. You can see how nice this shot here looks, well, hopefully, because there's first of all a huge window right here, like it's literally massive, and that's a huge, nice, kind of softish light source that's hitting my face. It's making me pretty well exposed, but then also I'm shooting off into the depth, and you can see all that wonderful bokeh. I mean, it's probably overkill. I think it's at like, yeah, I'm on f2 right now, but you know, realistically, I probably want to shoot around something like this maybe, otherwise I think the background's probably too blurry. Anyway, back to f2. I think this set is definitely going to evolve over the coming weeks as I start to probably just decorate the office a bit more. If you guys have any ideas for what I should put in the office, let me know in the comment section below. Still not really sure what I'm going to do with the place, but I think that, and there's a bunch of stuff left over as well. There's just like kind of wooden table here that's kind of over there. This probably is not helping the fact that it's so blurry. But anyway, there's a wooden table here, there's this kind of, these squares from IKEA as well. There's a bunch of desks here, which is really cool. But I'm obviously going to, and there's like, yeah, other drawers and stuff around this chair. Was also just here, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's gonna wrap up the vlog, I think. It's almost 4 o'clock, it's actually 4:20, so it's past 4 o'clock. I'm probably gonna go home for the day now, but if you guys have any suggestions for what you want to see in this new office, and if you want me to show something specific or decorate it in a specific way, leave a comment below. I'll be checking those out for inspiration, and that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.